This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Phew. Finally, peace and quiet.
Sue! I've done it again! It's another masterpiece that will last for ages!
Oh, what have you done? Why are you covered in paint?
I've been decorating Roger's room. I've created a wonderful mural for him. I did great, didn't I, Sue?
I don't think Roger's gonna like it. Let's better paint something else, okay? And I already have a great idea for Roger's painting. It'll be nice and relaxing.
Sue, you're such a noob! Artists use a thing called paint!
Do you mean like this?
Red, blue, green, yellow, they're all here. Maybe I underestimated you after all.
That's okay, Sam. Let's get started.
I've been waiting for this forever.
I want to start with this beautiful blue.
Bravo! It is like a dance with the canvas.
Wow, that is so poetic, Sammy. Now, let's use another shade of blue. I believe it's called cyan.
Holy cannoli! Those colors remind me of something. Aha! The ocean, that's it! A beautiful, deep, deep ocean.
You got it, Sam. That's just what it's going to be.
I was kind of expecting more, Sue.
Don't worry, Sammy. We're just getting started.
No, get that sponge away from me. I had a bath last month.
This is for the painting, not you. But we really need to work on your bath schedule.
I don't know. I kind of like my natural aroma. Oh, to Sam.
While the paint is drying, you can jump in the tub.
Yeah, You'll have to catch me first. Oh yeah, that wasn't so bad actually.
See? I told you. Once you stopped crying, you actually enjoyed it. You should listen to me more often, Sammy.
Finally a little sunshine. I need to work on my tan.
You take it easy, my friend, while I will be working on the painting. Just be careful, you don't want to overdo it.
Please, Sue, I think I know what I'm doing. This slime is going to be golden. Aha! You know exactly what I need. I better slap on more oil then. This turkey needs to be cooked. Now we're talking. I'm gonna look absolutely dazzling.
Oh, Sammy. Okay, I think we're done with the sun and we're moving on.
No, not the clouds. It's too early. Hey! I'm a sun worshiper, Sue!
What do you want me to do? I can't control the weather. Besides, we need to finish this painting for Roger, don't we? Now, I'll add a little purple to the clouds. This will give them depth. Are you done there yet, Sam? Are you feeling more relaxed?
I think I might have overdone it. I'm sunburnt.
That's just what I was afraid of. Didn't I warn you?
Stop! What are you doing? It looks like you're ruining it.
Would you already trust me? It's all under control.
What a look! Sue, did you know that I was the inspiration for that Mona Lisa painting?
What? You're kidding, right? I mean, you do look gorgeous, obviously, but you look nothing like her.
Can't you see the similarity? Come on, it's like looking in a mirror. Hey!
Now that you've mentioned it, huh. Anyway, let's get back to our painting. These are going to be the waves. Whoosh!
It's time to hang 10 to ride the party wave. I don't know what any of that means.
You sound like a pro, though. You had me convinced.
Surf's up, bro. Gnarly. Whee!
Uh-oh. Poor Sammy. But don't you worry, friends. He knows perfectly how to swim. Here is what we got so far. What do you say, Sammy?
Whoa! What a rush! And you did great with that painting, Susie. But let's proceed. We're not done with it just yet. The greatest detective of all is here to help. Interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, what's that? The greatest detective, Samuel? Have you spotted something?
I have deduced that it is, in fact, a painting!
You've solved the case, Sherlock Sam. Congrats.
Thank you. And I'm already working on my next case. It's called Salmon the Missing Pizza. Whoa! It's like a tropical island. It gives me the urge to hula.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Sorry for the delay. I was looking for my, ukulele. Let me play you a song. Shiver me cheddars. That painting needs some wildlife. Here, let me help you. I'm a pro in drawing birds. There you go. Now the picture looks more romantic.
Let me see. Oh, you're right, but we need more.
Hey! There are no boats sailing on the high seas. Holy cannoli, Susie K. We need to draw one, now.
Aye, aye, Captain. Phew. Our picture is ready now. We only need to remove the masking tape. Amazing! Check this out, Sammy. What do you say?
I think this is a real masterpiece. You did a great job, Susan. Well done. Yay!
Here.
Guys, anything we can do to help?
No, thank you, Lilac. Bucky and I do this every fall. Count our bowls to make sure we have enough for winter.
That's because we make more soups when it's cold, so every bowl is precious.
Whoops. Maybe we could use a little help.
Oh, what's going on? Can I help too?
Sure, Moss. We're just counting bowls for Thorn.
Oh, I'll get it.
Look, there! One that's not broken. Thorn, I'm so sorry.
Accidents happen, Thistle. We make these bowls from acorn caps, which are normally very strong, but these bowls are old and break easily. Just ask Bucky.
I could go gather some more if you tell me where to go.
That would be nice, thank you. The best acorn caps are from the great oak, the biggest, tallest tree in the whole park. Come on, Bucky.
The tallest tree? I'm not really fond of heights.
Whoa! What's been happening here?
Never mind this mess. Thistle just had the brilliant idea to go and collect more acorn bowls for Thorn, and I'm going with her.
I want to make it up to Thorn, but I'm a little afraid of high places.
That sounds fun. Can I come along?
Of course! Let's go, team!
Hello? Huh? Where is everyone?
Your friends? Oh, they're going to collect acorn bowls somewhere in the park.
Oh, but they said I could join in.
That's so like the Lilybuds, always thinking of themselves. Just go off on your own adventure. That's always been my motto.
Bucky, watch and learn. Brand new bowls deserve a brand new recipe. A new and exciting mixture of...
Seaweed and banana.
No, but I'm sure you'll come up with something.
Potato and raspberry?
Let's look in the vegetable basket for ideas. The basket which someone has left by the door. Again, why don't we leave it there?
Because Ellery always steals it.
That's correct. Once in the last week, he's stolen food from that basket. That chipmunk could just sneak in while our backs are turned.
Now, we just need to add a few more autumn colors to make it perfect for visitors to the park. Hey, Rose! Hi, guys! Where are you off to?
We're on an expedition to climb the Great Oak, the highest in the park.
Maybe I could help here. Make some nice, safe colors, closer to the ground, not high up a tree.
We'd better get moving. The Great Oak is far, and we've got to be back in time for dinner.
Come on, Dad, over here. Carson, the king of catching. Hi, Moss.
Hi, Mom. Hi, guys. Have you seen my friends?
Don't think so. We've been busy playing pass the pondweed. You have to catch it or you're out.
Hey, Danny. How come you're not playing with your brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I'm not very good at it, so they forgot about me.
Don't worry. My friends seem to have forgotten me, too. Want to come with me on our own adventure?
Yes! Mama, can I go play with Moss?
Of course, dear. Now, make sure you two stay near the pond.
You see, Bucky? If you put the vegetable basket here by the table, then it's as far from that chipmunk's paws as it can be. Beans. That's what it needs.
Right away, Chef Thorne. A clove of garlic. Peas. Huh? I could have sworn I just saw beans in here.
Check the cupboard. Hurry up, please. The soup can't wait.
Sure, Chef Thorne. That was lucky. The beans just fell right out into my paw. Guess I'm getting pretty good at this cooking thing, huh, Chef Thorne?
And we need to make sure we're always facing west when we climb the Great Oak so the sun won't be in our eyes.
Thistle, we've already been through the safety instructions twice.
Yes, but I've just thought up a new list of dangers. Getting scraped by bark, falling into a bird's nest and being fed worms, or being accidentally sat on by a mother bird. Maybe we could gather acorn caps from the ground.
No, we need new ones, fresh from the tree. The ones on the ground will be old and brittle like the ones in the buttercup.
Hold on a sec. Has anyone thought about how we're going to get up a tree this tall?
Oh, well, let's go. Can't say we didn't try.
Use a climbing plant to do the climbing for us. One Virginia creeper coming right up.
Let's go somewhere muddy.
Or somewhere with bugs to eat.
There's a place in the park where dogs play. Maybe we could dig up something to play catch with.
That sounds way better than catching pondweed.
Huh? Falling acorns? Oh, come on, buddy. Let's get out of here.
Oops, dropped one. I'm going to sit down and be safety monitor. Safety monitors always sit down.
You okay, Thistle? You know, you probably should have sent someone else if you don't like heights.
Stirring soup with a spoon. It will be ready soon. Stirring soup with a spoon.
Bucky, how's that soup coming along?
Try it and see, Chef Thorne.
You added parsley. Excellent. But something is missing. Peas.
Oh, I forgot to put those in. Huh? Hey, peas are gone.
I bet Ellery sneaked in here and grabbed them while I was out. He's a crafty one, that chipmunk.
He couldn't have. I keep checking the door every few minutes. Huh?
Here are your peas. Bucky, a good chef needs to know everything that's going on in his kitchen, like I do.
Oh, you guys should see this view.
I'd rather not.
Wait a second. A duckling? And is that moss?
Moss?
Why is he out here? Oh, Moss wanted to join in with us, but we left before he came back from getting that bowl.
Oh, poor Moss. He must think we forgot all about him, which we did.
Don't feel bad. They look like they're having a good time. Oh, no! A puppy is running towards Moss and Danny. Oh, we need to warn them. Climbing down will take too long.
We'll use our emergency poppy chutes. You two can float down in yours, and I can climb down nice and gently.
Poppy shoots? We kind of left ours back at the village.
Honestly, no one listens to me.
I'm sorry. I can use yours if you want.
No, they are fitted for each of us a certain way. I'll just have to be brave. For Moss. Oh, you can do it, Thistle.
You can do it, Thistle.
Okay, for Moss. Moss, Danny, watch out! Behind you! Take cover, boys! Oh, that was close. What are you two doing all the way out here?
We were both kind of upset at being forgotten.
So we decided to make our own adventure.
Maybe it wasn't the best idea.
It's okay, Moss. Let's go home. I think we've all had enough adventure for one day.
Thistle was incredible. A real action hero. Sorry I didn't listen to you.
That's okay. We're sorry too, Moss. We didn't mean to go off without you. We got caught up in the excitement of the expedition.
We'd never do that on purpose. You know that, right?
Yeah, especially since Thistle faced a big fear to save me. I did have a fun adventure, but it would have been more fun with all my friends.
Chef Thorne, did you just sneeze? Because someone did, and I don't think it was me.
Bucky, you need to relax. Life is beautiful. Everyone loves our new soup. And best of all, because of my keen senses, Ellery never got anywhere near the kitchen.
Enough. I'll never steal food again.